What's your biggest red flag?
I'm nonchalant.
Being nonchalant is a red flag na pala, no? What's your red flag?
Mabagal mag-respond.
What's your biggest red flag?
I don't reply fast.
Why don't you reply fast?
Makatamad. Makipag-usap.
Let's say type na type yung guy. Ganun pa din.
Baka hindi.
If you're ugly, you're ugly.
What's your biggest red flag?
I don't have any.
Gatas mo.
Well, now you have one, bro.
Biggest red flag?
People who keep interviewing me.
Shit, that's a red flag. Hey, can we post that? No? Keep that on the jobs, bro. I like that. Sayang. Nanalo sana sila ng shirt. What's your biggest red flag?
I get kinda lazy sometimes.
To what? Reply?
Yeah.
Like, how long does it take for you to reply?
Mga 2 days.
Whoa, that's biggest red flag mo, boss.
Ako.
Biggest red flag.
Nananahimik ko lang randomly pag may nagawing person.
Non-communicative.
How many laps can you do, bro? Okay, he's not communicating.
What's your biggest red flag?
Cheaters. Your biggest red flag. You're gonna snitch on yourself.
May make it rain sana ako kaso puro piso eh.
Now we asked if we could do interviews because
Yeah.
hindi makasuhan.
Kahit yung lawyer ni Fonzie natatakot na eh.